Hey. What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. If you're returning, welcome back. I'm tired. But it's officially the day we leave for Puerto Rico. I'll be real. I'm looking excited, but I'm scared at the same time. So sorry. I'm excited. You know, first time being in Puerto Rico. So, but they high risk with COVID. So I'm gonna just make sure I'm extra safe because I ain't got time to get COVID. But yeah, right now it's like 7 something. But as you can see, I'm already packed. That's my carry-on, and then that's my luggage. So, but right now I did everything, skincare routine. I did everything. So I'm just waiting till everybody get up, and then y'all will see me at the airport. So, what yeah. Provide to board. A little plane ticket. We have a layover in Chicago. Yeah, Chicago. Then, yeah, sorry. Yeah, layover in Chicago. Then I think we stop in Florida. And then we'll be in San Juan. But you're right, the people that probably there. Yeah, that's it. Peace. Y'all, we made it. Oh, this light look good on me. Hold on. But we made it. I'm gonna have to give y'all a little Airbnb tour. This is really nice. It's mass spacious now. From the outside, it's a little small, let's be real. But like once you walk in, oh, this is a whole different ballgame. Huh? Okay. But yeah, I'm probably doing a little Airbnb tour tomorrow. I definitely forgot to film the Airbnb tour. Yeah, so there ain't no footage of that. But look. Y'all, it is day 2 of Puerto Rico. Last night it was mainly getting in, but like I guess this is day 1, I guess. But we just ate. What are we about to do? Oh, we about to go to San Juan. I think we're about to explore a little bit, see what they got going on down there. Oh, I want to see if I can show y'all. I can see the mountains from my phone. Let's see if I can. Okay, I don't know if y'all can see it, but like, right, the mountains are like right there. I don't know if y'all can see that, to be honest. But still, it don't matter. But it's mad pretty, scenery's pretty. My room, got it to myself. It's cute. Have a little mirror. But nope, I'm about to get dressed. And yeah. Hey guys. We finally made it to our destination. Puerto Rico. Oh shoot. Parking was insane and extremely small for Loki, but we made it. We're in this like shopping area of Puerto Rico, so we either about to A, find some food, or B, find somewhere to shop. And yeah, that's what it really is, to be honest. But other than that, yeah. Y'all, so I muted this part because, you know, music was playing in the background. But you know, I can sing it for you. It was Kanye. Oh baby, when it all and all falls down, you tell me it all falls down. You don't the song just repeat? That's enough singing. Alright, bye. Back. So, we went to the beach, as y'all will see. But right now, well, we went home, took showers, whatever, and then we are now at this place called Terruño. So we gonna see what the food about. But I don't know too much. I got my mask because you know you gotta stay COVID safe. Yeah. Oh, we are about to go to a water slide, a natural water slide, I think. I'll be real with y'all, I'm tired. My stomach low-key hurt, but I don't even know why. But hopefully this is a good trip. This little water slide. It's a hike, so yeah.
It's good, gang.
Y'all probably wondering why I look a hot mess. I got clay and a bunch of other stuff. The rainforest was cool. I really liked it, and I think the family enjoyed it as well.
The reason they brought it here is because they used to make houses of bamboo.
What y'all do? Oh, they did water slides and jumping off cliffs. Me, I'm too terrified of heights. No. I'm gonna say that for the people who don't care.
Scaredy cat.
But yeah, then we had to trek through the rainforest. I've slept like 3 times. I was over it at that point. But now I think we about to head to the beach and then get something to eat and then come back and take a shower, because after this I know everybody about to hit the bed. I know for a fact. So, but that's a quick update. So I will catch y'all when we're eating.
Hello, motherfucker.
So, hey, y'all, it's been like, I think now 2 weeks since the trip. I forgot to record. Let's be real, because I was just enjoying myself. Like, we was eating good, looking at different things in Puerto Rico. So yeah, I definitely forgot, but you know, I can just wrap it up a little bit for y'all. Y'all, the trip was fire. We met some folks. People was mad funny and cool and nice there. Food was immaculate, except for like this one place, but like that's because they tried to play us with some little, they just tried to play us. But other than that, food was delicioso. Like, I'm gonna pop up photos in the video, but yeah, food was delicious. Overall, we had a good experience. I might go back, to be honest, because it was just mad, like, it was relaxing and cool, and you know, it was a vibe. But I hope y'all have a blessed rest of y'all day. Kids, y'all know, stay in school. Adults, do what you gotta do to make sure you right here mentally and physically. And yeah, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.